Aloha everybody, welcome back to the channel. And so in this video I'm going to kind of go over something that I've said. My friends like Sneed, Carlos, Rishi, and everybody else, Lawrence, they know it. They know I'm a Pixel guy. I've said it and I'll say it again. I'm a Pixel guy. I really like the Google Pixel devices. Now, when I say this, I'm not saying that they're better than Samsung Galaxy devices, or they're better than Huawei devices, or they're better than every Android device there is out there. I say I'm a Pixel guy because I like the experience that I get from the Google Pixel. The lineup is getting better and better. I mean, from the Pixel 1, I thoroughly, just love the aspect of it. Sure, the design language of the hardware is not immaculate, and I totally agree with people out there. But for me, it looks nice, and that's something that no one can tell me that I'm wrong about. I like it, and who's anyone to tell me what kind of opinion I can have? And I think that's the thing. I really don't care what people's opinions are of what I like. I like what I like, and I always encourage people to like what they like. And me, I'm a Pixel guy. So yes, I think the Pixel 1 looks pretty good. I've recently gotten a hold of a Pixel 2. And the Pixel 2 is just right now grown on me. And I have the Pixel 3 and the 3A. The only device I don't have in my lineup is the Pixel 4. Although recently, I'm seeing a lot of 6-month reviews that has people changing their tone about the Pixel 4 and 4 XL. More optimistic now about the Pixel 4 and 4 XL, where it used to be a lot of, sighs of letdown. Pixel 4 did this, Pixel 4 did that wrong. And then now that the price has dropped dramatically on Pixel 4 and 4 XL, and now people are singing a different tune. So it kind of really tells you in the tech space exactly how these devices are judged. One of the main things they're judged on is pricing. And while everyone under the sun can tell me a reason why that the pricing obviously will set the tone for judgment of a device, is it really? Does a number really? I mean, when has a number really told the user experience you get from a phone? And that's the problem in the tech space today, is that a lot of people rely on a number to tell them what the user experience is going to be, rather than judging a phone for the user experience. As I said before, the pricing of the Pixel 4 is a bit high. I couldn't tell anyone the user experience because I don't own one in hand to actually do that. But you cannot judge user experience based on money. I'm going to say that right now. You have to actually use the phone and really use it to know what the user experience is going to be. And it doesn't mean that just because the user experience is solid and great, that the pricing is right. No, you can always be truthful and admit that the pricing is still too high for something that you're getting out of it. But to really judge it negatively, that's the difference. And so with the Pixel lineup, I can see where Google is really trying to go with this. Keeping it simple with less gimmicky features. Of course, the exception is the Pixel 4 with Project Soli. But hey, trial and error. I still give Google props for trying. And if it doesn't succeed, oh well, go back to the drawing board and bring us back something solid later on down the road. But the Pixel keeps it very simple. The Pixel not only keeps it simple and showcases stock Android, but also caters to the amateur photographer and even the wannabe photographers, like me, who absolutely has no idea what they're doing point and shooting in camera, yet the Pixel cameras can make my photos look pretty dang solid. I mean, go to my Instagram to see some of the photos I shot today with the Pixel 2. And so for what I'm saying for this is that while people are OnePlus people, or Samsung people, or Motorola, or LG, I'm a Pixel guy. But that is for me. I fully see the vision that Google has for its Pixels. And I hope they continue that success as they climb and continuously pump out hardware finally they can call their own to showcase Android. And the beauty of it is that if you don't like the Pixel, you can always opt for every other manufacturer out there who also has access to the Android operating system. But that's my opinions for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section just by leaving your thoughts. Smash that like button if you guys enjoyed it. And if you're on Instagram or YouTube, subscribe or follow. I would really appreciate that. Thanks again for watching, and as always, aloha.